So I don't know if y'all remember, I had debuted this scan tool a few weeks ago. The Pro TT, the X-431 Pro TT launch scan tool. There was only so much I could show with it in such a short time. And I left myself with some certain questions as it relates to the manufacturer vehicles I work on. Now we're told that we can only use on 24 and up Rogue, that we can only use the updated scan tool that the manufacturer has provided us with. And so I was like, well, if that's the case, how are aftermarket's gonna scan these vehicles once they get some mileage and the customers don't want to go to the dealers anymore? Because after 36,000 miles and or 3 years, they're out of warranty. So I'm hooking this one up. I finally got a 24 Rogue in my stall. I'm gonna see if the connectivity works, if it'll scan, if it'll do anything. So far, so as of right now, it's pulled up the VIN, the year, the make, the model, but look at right here. It says coverage from 1993 to 2020. Includes engine, ABS, AT, which automatic transmission, airbag, four-wheel drive system, IVMS, and other parts. So I'm gonna run a full scan and see, can I even communicate with anything? Now this is ultimately going to play a big role in for what I do here at the dealership, because there are times where other scan tools, the Consult 4s, are not hogged up, but they are being used by other technicians. And I'm very impatient, so I like to, you know, if I could get a lead on my diagnosis, then I would appreciate that. Not only that, right now, I guess there's some servers down, so I can't even run a scan on this particular vehicle that the customer is having issues with. So now there is, on our VI, you can scan from there. It's just a quick code reader. Like I said, code reader, that's all it'll do, just pull DTCs. And I'm not coming up with anything. But do I trust that so much? No, because it's just a quick scan, it's just a quick read. So I wanna see what scan tool is showing. Is there any codes? It shows pending codes and current codes if they're there. But again, like I said, I don't really trust it, because it's like that. How's it gonna scan like that? You know, is it gonna scan the full system, or is it just scanning certain systems of the vehicle? So I want to know, man, it's not looking like there's any luck. So if I can't have any luck on this, what do y'all recommend? Okay, is there anybody out there that can help me out with this? Yeah, I could get a hold of a launch, but I mean, it says 20 up to 2020. So what do we got to do? Because as time goes on, I would really like to show y'all more stuff with these scan tools. Now I'm super duper limited, because like I said, we do work on a lot of new vehicles, and I really wish it would scan this whole thing. Keep coming up with non-equipped. Man, go all the way up to the top, bro. I know there's a lot of y'all smart fellers out there that do use these scan tools on a day-to-day basis. I know there's a lot of mobile guys out there. I mean, what are y'all using to scan these newer vehicles with? Gateway, do I have to get an FCA auto off to be able to scan this vehicle, or what's the deal? Am I limited by the software being only able to scan up to 2020? I'm really posting this just for y'all's help, okay? I don't mind reaching out to y'all and asking for help, because I'm sure if y'all reach out to me for help, y'all expect my help, right? Well, dang, you know, a player needs some help every now and then. You know, not everybody's perfect, and we don't know everything in the automotive world. So I'm gonna let this thing keep scanning, see what we come up with, see if there's anything I can communicate to on this vehicle with this scanner. Or are we gonna have to get a big daddy throttle X-431 or whatever the next higher up scanners. Are we gonna have to use those? And if so, launch King Bullion. We got to get with the programs. You want us dealer technicians to work on, you know, sell y'all's product. If y'all want us to help push these products, we need to get the ability to scan current year models. After all that was said and done, this is the only thing that's coming up. Occupant detection system. Are you kidding me? Read data stream, all signals, buckle switch. Oh. Hit OK. And we got no values. Ugh. Come on. So again, guys, if y'all have any information that can help me out, help you out, help us out, let's work together as a community and let's figure this out. Just asking for a hand. That way I can help y'all out when it comes to these scanners. And being that this thing has that function right there, remote diagnosis, and y'all have like, let's say a 21 Rogue with 70,000 miles on it, y'all are having a check engine light. Let's just say it's got a mass airflow code and y'all want me to see some data, you know, I can't really help y'all because I can only scan to the previous body style. Oh. So reach out, guys. Let's work together. Let's help each other out. And if y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And hopefully we can get a scan tool in the arsenal that works on current year models. Ugh. All right, guys, y'all know I can't just leave y'all without not giving any information on this. After I got done recording, I emailed Launch and I'm like, hey, yo, well, I can't scan a 24 year model. They told me to go through not intelligent diagnostics. They told me to go through local diagnostics. And even though it showed what, 93 or 96 to 2020 or something like that, I have a 2022 Nissan Kicks right there. I did scan it and I am able to communicate with the ECM, BCM, TCM, and all that good stuff. As we can see right here, it is a 22 and I do have some PIDs pulled up. But again, that is a 22 Nissan Kicks. And it does not have the, what, 8-channel gateway or 6-channel gateway that the Nissan Rogue does. The 24 Rogue, which requires a Consult 4 with a VI3 in order to scan the vehicle. I have not came across another 24 Rogue. As soon as I do, I will update y'all. But let's see if what they said is true. I'm just gonna try to access some stuff. So they said local diagnose, Nissan. Okay, well, scratch that because I actually have to be hooked up to the vehicle I'm gonna scan. I was connected to this and it kept pulling up this vehicle and it wasn't letting me go and choose year, make, model, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna actually need a 24 Rogue. I feel like personally it's a gateway issue. I don't know, we'll see. Until then, y'all gonna have to stick around. At least I know I can scan a 22 Nissan Kicks. But again, who knows until I actually get another 24 Rogue in here again. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification bells on so you don't miss another upload. And most importantly, we are on our way on a road to 100K. We are 26,000 or 24,000 or something like that. Just over 20,000 subscribers away from that 100K mark. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Right there. Oxidation on the drop belt. Do a video on this. All right, so this seal, they did not approve these. Is there sufficient pressure for them? Well, I got a whole bunch of parts right there. And then I bought this one because it was a special edition one time.